Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. This is Imran. To get started, we are going to open up two files called Enhance Colors using Vibrance VO1, VO2 and VO3. Now what are we going to do is, in adjustment panel we are going to use this one here. It is kind of a V with gradient in the middle. It is the Vibrance adjustment. Now I just mentioned that Vibrance is a good replacement of saturation in most cases. Saturation is fine, but Vibrance is definitely better. Why is Vibrance better in my opinion? Vibrance, what it does, it looks at the image. It says the insect quite red already, but there is kind of colored board in the background. They're quite washed out. So what Vibrance does, watch this. If I drag out saturation to the top, kind of to get this blue color in the background here is enhanced. But this red has oversaturated and gets too much, so I am going to turn that back to 0. What happens with Vibrance? Watch this. When I drag this up, you will notice that the blue in the background gets better, but it leaves the already saturated color alone. So generally it is just really good. Let's have a look at Vibrance VO2. So same thing, I'll go to adjustment panel, then go to Vibrance. And I am going to knock the eyeball on and off. You will notice that the colors of image are super awesome now. So you are going to practice with this image, apply the Vibrance to enhance colors and share with me on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. I'd like to see your work. So keep practice. See you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.